Hi guys, Aniq here. Welcome to K2M Unboxing and Reviews. So what we have here today are these wireless lavalier microphones. So these are microphones which can attach into your iPhone, and then you would have two separate microphones which you can talk into outside. So these are great for like podcasts and other random things that you might want to record on your phone. So you guys can see that's the front. This is the back. The back says plug and play, 20 meters of accessible reception, precise radio, clear timbre, highly sensitive and widely compatible. So you guys see. It's the back. So it's for iPhone and it's great for a bunch of, so let's go ahead and open this. So let's just take everything out first. We got everything out. It comes with this manual. It just shows how to use it, essentially. So you just plug it in, there's a switch key, and it'll just have a color to show when. So it's not too hard to use. We can just put this to the side. And now we have the microphone. So let's just take off this tape for now. Maybe that. Okay. So first off, we have this USB-C cable, which I assume is to charge your mic. So this is to charge this right here. And then this here, the receiver itself, this plugs into your phone. There's a lightning port, and you can plug in like a lightning cable here so it charges your phone too, just in case if it starts running out. Now, over here we have an iPhone, so we'll go ahead and try it out. So you just plug it into the bottom. Once you plug it in, no light or anything, but once I turn this on from the back, you can see like there's a light here. There's like a green light. You can turn this on. And now let's go ahead and try this out. So there's no buttons or anything, it's just the light, and that's it. So let's go ahead and start. Let's try this out. Switch the camera. Hello. Testing 1, 2, 3. This is from the mic. So tell me how it sounds. It sounds pretty crisp. You guys can like hear it. It kind of isn't something that you're supposed to move around, I feel like, too much. It does have a clip on it, so I guess it's more as if like you're supposed to hold it. But it doesn't sound too bad, and for just like a normal mic, these aren't too expensive either. You can get these really cheap, and they're really useful for just like random stuff. So if it's a school project, maybe you can use this to record it. If you're in a meeting or something, you can use this. There's a bunch of different things you can use this for. So this is definitely a great thing to have. It's also really easy to use. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video. Remember to subscribe to our channel, and remember to hit the bell icon. Bye.